Hi everyone, today and in the next video we're gonna learn about formal commands. Today we're gonna focus on the singular form usted, and in the next video we're gonna focus on the plural formal command ustedes. So if you need both, just watch both videos before starting completing the homework. Let's get going. When do we use formal commands? Mandatos formales. In Spanish, we use formal commands in the usted form when addressing someone respectfully, like a teacher, an older person, or someone we don't know well. Quick note, Spanish is spoken in so many countries and so many cultures, so this is just a quick generalization to make your life easier since you're just starting learning Spanish. Some people use usted in different ways. We're not going to worry about it, but just be aware that not everyone will consider usted a formal command. Mandatos formales are used to give formal instructions or polite suggestions. How do we form them? This is super easy. Paso 1. Write the yo form of the verb in the present tense. El verbo añadir, for example, the yo form is yo añado, I add. Focus on this O. For paso 2, we're going to drop the ending, so the O disappears and we have añad, la raíz, the root. So this is the root of the verb. For paso 3, we add the opposite vowel. This is what I'm saying. For AR verbs, we add I, in Spanish, e. For ER or IR verbs, we add a, in Spanish, a. And so in this case, añadir, ir, we add the opposite and we add a, añada. And the easiest thing when you want to do a negative command, you just place a no in front of the conjugated verb. The form does not change. Super easy. Let's look at some examples. Cocine el pavo en el horno por 3 horas. Cook the turkey in the oven for 3 hours. Respete las costumbres del Ramadán. Respect the customs of Ramadan. Encienda las velas durante Hanukkah. Light the candles during Hanukkah. No abra su regalo antes de la Navidad. Don't open your present before Christmas, or they will disappear. As always, Spanish has some irregular verbs. We're going to look at a few here. For dar, we have de. For ser, we have sea. For ir, we have vaya. For estar, we have esté. And for saber, we have sepa. Let's look at a few examples. De un discurso inspirador en la fiesta de graduación. Give an inspiring speech at the graduation party. Or sea amable con sus vecinos durante las fiestas. Be kind to your neighbors during the holidays. And the last thing for today, a quick note about spelling changes. So when forming formal commands with verbs that end in gar, sar, and kar, there are special spelling changes to preserve the original pronunciation of the verb. We want the verb to keep sounding the same, and so there is this spell change. For gar, we have ge. For sar, we have se. For kar, we have ke. And a quick example, saque las galletas del horno después de 10 minutos. Take the cookies out of the oven after 10 minutes. Adios!